Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now. Verify the correct replacement brake bulb by checking the old bulb or the owner manual so you don't buy the wrong part. Put on gloves to keep oils off the glass and prepare a flat screwdriver and flashlight. Open the trunk and fold down the rear seat or remove the trunk trim access panel to reach the tail lamp housing. Once the panel is removed, locate the tail lamp wiring and socket. You're ready to unclip the lamp assembly and expose the bulb holder. You'll continue by removing the tail lamp assembly carefully. Unclip the plastic retainers or remove the screws, then pull the lamp housing outward just enough to access the bulb socket. Once exposed, grasp the bulb socket, twist it counterclockwise and pull it out, then remove the old bulb by pulling it straight from the socket. Inspect the socket and wiring for corrosion or melted plastic because a bad connector can cause repeated failures. If the socket looks suspect, replace or clean it now before installing the new bulb. You install the new bulb by seating it straight into the socket. Don't touch the glass with your fingers because oils shorten bulb life. Reinsert the socket into the lamp housing and twist clockwise until it locks, then reposition the lamp assembly, secure screws or clips, and replace the trunk trim. Once done, test the brake light with an assistant or by pressing the pedal against a wall to confirm brightness and alignment. If the light stays out or flashes, check the socket for corrosion or the vehicle fuse for the brake lamp circuit.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.